Hello everyone, happy to find you on this channel. Let's make lemonade today. We need three things: a glass of water, a lemon, and a knife to cut. Lemon is very good for health. Let's start. Take a smaller slice, squeeze it well into water. Make sure you will squeeze it well because lemon is a very powerful ingredient. So don't waste it little. Yes, good. Now your lemonade is ready. I request you all to please add this lemonade in your morning and afternoon routine because lemon is a citric fruit. So it's always beneficial for your body to take this drink before sunset because after sunset it will sometimes cause problem to some people. So once you try, you will feel it. Thanks for watching.